Hey everyone, I am Vanshika and welcome to my C++ tutorial series. Really happy you're here because if you ever wanted to learn how to program or understand how computers actually think, you're about to start something amazing. You see, learning programming isn't just about typing the code, it's about learning how to solve problems, how to think logically, and how to create something from absolutely nothing. And C++, it's one of the best languages to start with if you really want to understand how things work behind the scenes. C++ is used in many places: game engines, operating systems, browsers, robotics, and even AI. And once you understand it, every other programming language becomes easier to learn. We'll start right from the beginning, setting up your environment and writing your very first program. Then we'll slowly build our foundation: variables, loops, conditions, and functions. From there, we'll move into topics that make C++ powerful. Things like arrays, pointers, dynamic memory, structures, and classes. By the end, you'll not only understand C++, you'll be able to build your own small projects confidently. My approach is simple. I'll explain each concept in a calm, easy way, and then I'll write code together. You don't need any experience. All you need is a computer, some curiosity, and the willingness to practice a little after each video. And don't worry if you make mistakes. That's part of the process. Everyone does, even experienced programmers. What matters is that you try and keep experimenting. Now, why this series is different? This series isn't about memorizing syntax or rushing through topics. It's about truly understanding what's happening when you write each line of code. I want you to feel confident, not just in using C++, but in thinking like a programmer. Try to watch one video at a time and practice along. Don't skip small things. They build the foundation for everything else. And if you get stuck, just pause, rewind, or drop a question in the comments. I'll try to help whenever I can. So, if you are ready to begin your C++ journey, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss a lesson. To access the series, just go to video description where you'll see the link of the playlist. Thank you for being here. Let's get started and let's make learning C++ an exciting experience.